Okay, so we're in the sewer lateral. We're 72 feet out, which this takes us right to in front of the house. I have it marked. There are some markers. The line is backed up. As you can see nothing black. Water's stopping here. Can't get past this point. Don't know what's here. There's no water running. The water's just sitting here, and the camera won't go past. So I'm gonna gradually back up and see, clear up a little bit. So we're going backwards. We're coming back out to the main cleanout, which is located on the side of the house. And you can see the pipe is just filled with water, black water, and I can't see what is going on. Okay, here we're clearing out a little bit. So as we hit this area, it drops down. It looks like cast iron, corrosion and scaling. At this point right here, don't know what's going on. We need to hydrojet this, clear out the pipe, and then further inspect. But going forward again, you can see everything looks clear, water's not running, and it starts to dip. And then we just go in the water, black water, and I can't get past that point. So I'm going to recommend a hydrojet and then re-inspect at that same time. And hopefully get past that point and see what's causing it. There's some trees out there, some palm trees. Could be root blockage, could be collapsed pipe, could be something simple, but we don't know. As we're going back out, you'll see it's a cast iron pipe. That picture has some typical corrosion and scaling. Other than that, cast iron looks in decent shape. Not too bad. Now 22 feet under the house. So usually when somebody puts a clean out, they don't change the rest. They've been hydrojetting this before. It's a sign that they've actually had issues. And they put the clean out, continue hydrojetting. So right there, 11 feet, you can see underneath the house. I went to put the clean out in. ABS. Lots of black stuff and soot on this line. So I've been cleaning it as we go. You can see all that black stuff. I'll try to get a better picture. It's all over the camera. Anyway, let me try cleaning this camera a little off better. So there's the clean out. You can see the black stuff that's coming out of the pipe. It's all over my rag. It's in the sewer line. So there's a back up there. But this is a 4-inch ABS. See, we're inside the property, and at 72 feet we have some blockage which I could not push past and see what's down there. Recommending a hydrojet to clear that out, and hopefully we can see what's down there. Thank you.